Welcome to Math with Mr. T. Alright, it's geometry time. Let's find the surface area of a rectangular prism. The first thing you need to be able to do is go around the outside of this shape and write in the lengths that are missing. This is something that really helps make sure that you understand what the different sides of the shape are. So if we go to the top of the shape, I know that this is 6 centimeters because I can see the bottom is parallel to it. I can also see that moving to the left, this has to be 4 centimeters. And this little guy down at the bottom has to be 2. Again, I can see that because of all the parallels that we have here. When lines are parallel, it makes it so much easier for us to be able to determine what the different shapes are. Okay, now that we have the shapes written in across the entire prism, what we're going to do is we're going to pick apart some of these sides. For example, this side is really easy to see right here. This 4 by 2. So I'm going to draw it out. It might not be pretty, but I'm going to draw out, it's not pretty at all, a 2 by 4. And I'm going to draw 2 of those because I see one here and I see one over there. So here's another kind of ugly 2 by 4. Those are supposed to be the same. Okay, now I see that if I look at the front of this shape, I have a 2 by 6. See that right there? And I actually have one in the back as well because I can see that this is 2 and this is 6. So I'm going to draw 2 more 2 by 6s. Let's see how pretty I can make these. Not too bad, but also not too good. And then if we look at the top of this box, this prism, it's a 4 by 6. You see that there? 4 by 6. And because it's a prism and it's a rectangular prism, it has a bottom of 4 by 6 as well. So I'm going to draw a 4 by 6 over here. And I'm going to try to squeeze one in over here. Now that I have all 6 sides of this rectangular prism written down, I can find the area of all of these shapes. I know that the way to find the area of a rectangle is base times height. So the 4 by 2 is going to have an area of 8. This 4 by 2 is going to have an area of 8. 6 by 2 is going to have an area of 12. This 6 by 2 will have an area of 12. And this 6 by 4 will have an area of 24. And so will its twin over here. Now that I've found the area of all 6 of these sides, I can add them together to find the area of the entire outside of this prism. So let's see, I got a little space over here. I'm going to do 8 plus 8 plus 12 plus 12 plus 24 plus 24. The 8s go together with the 2s, and that gets me 20 plus the 4 and the 4. So that means there's going to be 28 ones. 2 goes here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the actual area of this rectangular prism is 88 centimeters squared. Thanks for watching. I hope the video was helpful. Please let me know. And don't forget to subscribe.